Hernandez here with BargainBows, and we are going to share with you some of our customer favorite solid color bows for back to school. Woo! These are so cute. So BargainBows is really popular because of our solid bows. We have 30 to 90 colors depending on the size and style, and super affordable prices. So what I like to think is if my child goes to school and they possibly lose it, you're really not at a huge loss in what you invested in that one bow. But on top of that, I'm going to show you some customer favorites for back to school. So our 4-inch solid bows are really popular. These are available in 90 colors. They're 30 for $30 out of a bundle of 30. You can get them for $2 individually if you want to go that way, or you can buy an entire bundle, which is so fun to get in the mail, of 90 colors for only $80. So this is our 4-inch, and then I'll hold it next to our 6-inch, which is our best seller. Okay, our best-selling size. You can see it on me. I do not wear them, but my daughter does. Madison does. And then this is our 6-inch bow, still available in all 90 colors, 30 for $30 of a bundle, or you can get them for $2 individually, or a 90 color pack, all different colors, 90 different colors for only $80. Very popular, and you're getting them for less than $1 each if you're getting the 90 pack, or you can get them for $1 each when you get the bundle. So this is also available, and I am newly in love with these because they do not come out of my daughter's hair ever, because it has a barrette on it. So she wore this specific bow actually to dance today and put it in the back of her bun, and it didn't move, and she couldn't even like rip it out of her hair, which is great because I want to keep it on her head and not lost. So we do have, these are brand new to our website. We do have these available also in 30 colors on BargainBows.com, and we also have our 8-inch bows on barrettes available on our website as well. Super cute, and again, obviously the same size as our other 6-inch. So both 6-inch. Our 8-inch are very popular for the girls who like big bows, or the moms who like big bows. 8-inch is a hugely popular, no pun intended, very popular size. It is a very large bow, but they're available in 90 colors. They're only $30 for 30 bows for $45, $3 each, or you can buy an entire set of 90 colors, 90 different colors for $125, and it makes them less than $1.50 each for a big bow. So big customer favorite is our big, large 8-inch bows. And then these, I think, are really cute for school. We do have some available on headbands, if you prefer that, or just clips. I think they're so like schoolish. They just scream school or like cheer to me. So these are our solid color cheer bows, and you can just clip them right on any hairstyle you want. Really adorable for school or any after school activities. So if you do have any questions at all, feel free to email us at support@bargainbows.com. Thank you all so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and shop on our website, BargainBows.com. Bye.